I'm Jacob Longacre. For me, the process starts as a concept. Once I've developed a concept, I need to prove that I can make that concept work. So the first step is always to build a simple, basic model of what I'm doing to show that I can make it work. This model does not have to be pretty, it does not have to look finished, but it has to operate properly. The display illustrates my work with product development. Ideally, I would choose items that could go to several manufacturers so that I didn't just have one customer that was the only option I had. I also found manufacturers that would speak directly to inventors and developers. Some manufacturers only speak through agents. So I would also specifically look for companies that I would be comfortable working with. And that's just a process of meeting companies, going to trade shows and things like that to meet people and find out the style of different companies.